Malinya ye kya, malinya ye chon. Manda dab ha, man sin day man, manda emupa. Dab lot man sin yong na. Kalalo baro, kachim jonga. Nadom nam kamgashi, Wanshan. Abdo mako, landi itanyaki. Hala emi hejitam saja, hala emi hejing bakla. Arngot hijoi jing mot, wam emi te jing tu. Naman sin tranguri apa, wa jing hon yang na. Chawi chaar, wam ye osnyao kemasnyao ya pa. Siap si, naman sin jong lagi. Bashisha in your banana.
What's up everyone? From north to east, down west, all the people, yeah? Welcome back again, your African people.
Come back again.
Yo, I'm coming from South Sudan.
We like Meghalaya. So every time watching movies from Meghalaya.
I'm from Muket, guys. My village is called Muket. Yeah, welcome. You're from where?
Yes. What's up, guys? My name is Muhammad. I'm from Sudan. You know Sudan?
Yeah, they don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
This is Sudani. You can call him Sudani.
Sudan.
You call him also Sudani. Yeah,
This
you
South
call me
Sudan. This
You
South
call me
Sudan.
Junubi.
No, just Junubi. You know Junubi.
Junubi.
Maybe it's bad words.
You can also call us, all of us, African or Sudanese. You can call us all Sudanese, okay? If someone is from Sudan, they're Sudanese. Okay? So today we are reacting to the best DJ Wanshan.
DJ Wanshan, yeah, before
You reacted to that girl, right?
Yeah.
We reacted to Kinding. Kinding.
Kinding kids, yes?
Yeah, those kids.
Not kids,
No. In that video, kids was there.
That video.
Yeah, that video was by that lady. She's called who? Jessie. Lyngdoh. Jessie Lyngdoh. Yeah, Jessie Lyngdoh. So DJ Wanshan was there. So today we are reacting to this song is only for DJ Wanshan. This time he is the singer.
DJ.
This is his own song. So we are going to check and to see how talented is our guy DJ Wanshan. Apart from being a DJ, we are going to see how talented can he sing or can he dance. We don't know that. We are going to check out and all to DJ Wanshan fans here, Meghalaya fans, Khasi fans, subscribe. Let's do it. Start, bro. 3.
Let's see what happens.
Yes, let's see DJ Wanshan. This song is called MYNSIEM.
So there's mountains here.
Yeah, this is the real place. He's here.
Katiyong pa katuk so cirata Nailyang yung nadadab day maya Malinya ye kya, malinya ye chon Manda dab ha, man sin day man Manda emupa Dab lot man sin yong na Kalaki waro, yajing long yong na Nado tu kasi wachamo apa Das kem da hon na katu chiro wapa Hala emi hejitam saja Hala emi hejing bakla Arngot hijoi jing mot Wam emi te jing tu Naman sin tranguri apa Wa jing hon yang na Chawi chaar Wam ye osnyao kamasnyao ya pa Siap si Kamen sin jong lagi Bashisha in your banana Siap si Kamen sin jong lagi Ular yapi Nanik malakas ni
See you guys. That kid, man, is so good
so
in dancing.
good
So good in dancing. And the place, man, where they're recording this video is really super amazing. And I didn't expect to see DJ Wanshan dropping this amazing lyric, man. It's so nice. Shout out, my God. Really. Let's continue.
bha kayunga chka nanga sia wala walanga maria to haja sugi man sin no jai umamare uperkak umamare kustai to emapaya ka bha kayunga chka nanga sia wala walanga maria to haja sugi man sin no jai umamare uperkak umamare kustai Malinya ye kya, malinya ye chon, manda dab ha man sin day man manda emupa, dab lot man sin yong nai. Kalalot bago, ajim jom na, nadom nam kam kasi, Wanshan ato mako, nani itanyaki. Hala emi hai jitam saja, hala emi hai jing bakla, arngot hai joy jing mot. Wam emi te jing tu Naman sin trang uri apa Wa e jing hon yang na Chawi chaar Wam ye o snyao kama snyao ya pa Snyao si Kaman si jong Bala shisha In yo banana Snyao si Kaman si jong
Man. Shit, that's
Let me go to
serious,
Meghalaya.
man.
Let me go to Meghalaya.
We are coming to Meghalaya, man.
I want to
coming. We want to
man.
see that beautiful place.
Oh, yeah,
That
why?
beautiful
I
place.
just get man that place.
This guy love the place.
Chicos.
Yeah. The people look so nice.
So nice.
The place looks so nice.
That's so clean.
Everything is amazing.
Yeah.
Even DJ Wanshan can sing, man. That's really lit.
Bro, I want to tell you something. Please give them my number.
Yeah, he'll find his number down, guys. He want to go Meghalaya like so bad, you know. He didn't expect like the place to be that beautiful. They have a lot of waterfalls.
Yeah.
You don't need to go to Indonesia like go in Bali where
Yeah.
you just go Meghalaya. You will find nice
Come.
You will find
There is
nice
my
hill,
number.
mountain,
Now.
places, amazing people. Their people also look so beautiful,
Yeah.
like angels only. Wow. Oh, DJ Wanshan, man, you did it.
Yeah.
Sound good, and yeah, it's nice to check it out. Thank you guys for suggesting this song.
Thank you so
We're
much.
still exploring for us. Reacting to Khasi people is just for the first time, and we are getting to know more. Recently, we reacted to 3 girls, guys, female cybers. Go and check them out, guys. They also
Yeah.
do well. Make sure to subscribe if you're a big fan of DJ Wanshan, guys. Love from
DJ
Africa.
Wanshan.
Yo,
#1.
MYNSIEM Jonga.
Nice to meet you.
Yo, thank you so much.